You really want to go tankless with your water heater? And I bet I know why. Hey, Mike Henry, Master Plumber and Rheem National Technical Trainer here to explain why most people want a tankless water heater, but also to help you avoid some possible pitfalls before you buy. So, what's the main reason someone wants to go tankless? Never running out of hot water. Now that's great, but before you purchase the tankless water heater, you need to consider a few things. If you're replacing an old tank with a new tank, it's an easy replacement. If you're replacing a tank with a tankless, it can be a little more complicated. But first of all, since the water connections on a tankless unit are in a different location than they were on your tank, your water pipes will likely need to be cut out and replaced. Now that's not that big of a deal. But your existing tank's vent system is designed for tanks, not tankless. So you'd need to install a whole new vent system, and this can be a big deal. The vent system that the tank used will need to be eliminated and then a new system installed for the tankless. And no, you can't just use the old vent. As you can see, the tank vent is just a conduit for carrying the exhaust gases out of the house, sort of like a chimney for a fireplace. The tankless vent is a two-pipe system, and the unit has a blower inside. This outer pipe is for bringing in combustion air, and this inner pipe is for blowing out the exhaust gases. So you can see they're definitely not interchangeable. Now, one way to eliminate this venting problem, especially in warmer climates, is to install an outdoor model. Now these models breathe in through here, and then they vent the exhaust out through here. There's no need for any piping. Another important factor is your existing gas line. It's probably not big enough for the new tankless unit. It'll more than likely need to be upgraded in size, and you may even need a bigger meter from the gas company. And last, you'll need to plug a tankless unit into an outlet. If there's not an outlet nearby, you'll need to have one installed. Now I know this sounds like a lot, and it is, but I don't want to be discouraging. There's definitely a benefit going from tank to tankless. I just want to make sure that you're aware of everything before making the change. Otherwise, our tanks are still a great choice. I hope this video has been helpful. Thanks for watching.